Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app and I will guide you the installation process of this app. So you can see the name of the app, OK Amazing Online Chat App. So basically this is social media or social networking. If you want to get the people here, then you can use this app. So if you see the statistics, you can see 85 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already download this app. So if you want to see the more feature, then you can get here: meet new friends, party time, video call, perfect match, and family chat. So there are a lot of things here. If you want to learn more about this app and how many feature is here, then you can see quickly match new friends, free group voice chat, save private chat service, save sharing space, and a lot of things. And also here is some option like if you want to see,